how to practice free kicks in FC24. So in the main menu here, you want to come down to Learn to Play. Then within Learn to Play, you want to select Practice Area. This will take you to an area where you can practice all different skills in FC24. But once you're in here, you want to select your free kick taker from the top here if there's someone you want. So let's say we want to practice with Mbappe, we can select him. I'll bring him onto the field. Then you want to press the options key. This will bring up a little sub menu. Then you want to select free kicks. So now when you move close to the goal, a little wall will come up. This will be a static wall. So now if we press the X or the shoot button, it'll bring up the free kick. Then we can take the free kick. If we move closer to goal, it'll bring up a wall that jumps. Then you can take free kicks that with a wall that jumps, as it would in the game. So that's how to practice free kicks in FC24.